Hey guys, it's Ken here today, and I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy Note. So let's have a look at this phone, and in the next 3 minutes we'll find out what it's all about. So this is the Samsung Galaxy Note. It's a smart mobile device from Samsung, which is essentially aimed at bridging the gap between a smartphone and a tablet. So the great thing about a smartphone is you get a really portable device that you can carry around with you everywhere. Tablet is great because it gives you really good multimedia experience. So this device essentially aims to capture both. So it's got a 5.3-inch HD Super AMOLED display, which is somewhere between a smartphone and a tablet. It's portable enough to hold in your hand. You see it's very thin as well, 9.65mm thick. So it's a very portable device. But the resolution of display is the same as the Galaxy Tab 10.1. And it's actually a higher resolution display than the iPad 2. So it's a really nice, really beautiful organic LED display. The phone runs Android 2.3, which is Gingerbread, which is an operating system from Google. So you get all of the standard applications such as Gmail, the gallery, Google Maps, and there's free GPS navigation. And you've got access to Android Market, where you can download over 400,000 applications. Many of them are free, some of them you need to pay for, but there's some really interesting applications out there. If we look at the design of the phone, it's got plastic casing. The great thing about that is you get really good phone signal, because if you use metal casing, that actually that attenuates the signal and makes the signal much weaker. So plastic casing allows you to get better phone reception. You notice the backing is textured. This is a technology called Hyperskin, and that means more grip when you're holding it in your hand. Also makes the phone feel a lot nicer. There's an 8-megapixel camera here on the back with an LED flash, so that gives you really nice photos. You can also do full high definition video recording in 1080p. If you want to do video conferencing, for example through Skype or Google Talk, then here on the top you've got a 2-megapixel camera on the front. What's really unique about the Galaxy Note is it comes with something called the S Pen, which slots in here at the back of the device. So we pull out the S Pen. Essentially what the S Pen is it's a bit like a stylus, but it's much more advanced than a normal stylus. So you can write on the screen, but it's got pressure sensitivity, and it's very accurate as well. So here just a few drawings that I've done with the S Pen in the S Memo application. Some cartoons and some drawings, SpongeBob SquarePants there. Just give a quick demonstration. I just add a new note, and I can rest my hand on the screen, and I can just write things. When I've written stuff, I can also use handwriting to text, so that's handwriting recognition, and that allows me to digitize what I've written very quickly, and then I can, send it in an email, send it in a text message, or whatever. I can also use the S Pen button, hold it down on the screen, and then that does a screen capture of the current screen, which then allows me essentially to annotate this with something like, for example, I want to highlight this, and then I can then email this to a colleague. So it's really great for commenting on documents or graphs or things like that. I can actually annotate on the screen and then send it to one of my colleagues.